Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Mares Cruise Dry BP75 dry bag. So this is a 75 litre backpack dry bag. You've got the roll top that gives it that dry seal. On the inside though, you'll notice that all of the seams are glued and taped, so it's completely dry. The material itself is a ripstop dry material, so you can put all of your dry kit inside, roll it up, clip it off, and even if the waves are splashing over it or it's just raining, that's going to keep it dry inside, or vice versa. After you dive, you can throw all your wet gear inside of this, roll it up, clip it up, and then throw it in the back of your car, and it isn't going to leak all over the back of your car. So taking a closer look at the on the front, you have a separate pocket which is separate from the inside. So this has a little zipper and just a small little pocket. It's on the inside, so this material is waterproof. The zip is fairly waterproof, but water will get in it, especially if it's submerged. So just a quick little place just to stow your keys or something that you need quick access to. On the other side, you have backpack straps. So these are padded backpack straps, very nice if you're traveling long distances. If you're trying to get to a remote dive site inland, you can throw this on your back and it's really comfortable. You've got an adjustable chest strap, again, just to keep those shoulder straps in position. And you also have a waist strap as well, with a pinch clip and dual adjustment on that. On the inside, it's just a simple dry bag. There are no pockets inside, very simple, so just throw everything in and then roll it over this stiffener and then clip it together, and it's going to be an airtight bag. So a very useful piece of kit. It's going to keep whatever's inside dry or just sort of contained, stopping any water from getting in or water from getting out. And that's the Mares Cruise Dry BP75 backpack. Thanks for watching and safe diving.